Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on force click on Mac. So, force click is a feature available on Mac which allows you to press a little deeper on the trackpad to access additional action and shortcuts. For example, you can use force click to preview files, view information about links, and perform other quick actions without opening the additional menus. Along with force click, your Mac also provide haptic feedback, which creates a subtle vibration like sensation when you press the trackpad. That makes the trackpad feels more responsive and helps simulate the physical click. If you want to turn on this feature, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system settings. Now here in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to track. And now here in the right side pane, make sure to enable the toggle right to force click and haptic feedback. Once you enable this feature, your Mac is allowed, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.